The purpose of the AMI meter is to more efficiently track a customer's usage and minimize having a personnel drive to that area and physically take a read. The technician will show up at the address and they will knock on the door and let the customer know. If the customer's not there, we're going to go ahead and look at the water meter and make sure no one's using water at that time. And at that point, if the meter is not spinning, we're going to turn the meter off. The technician will exchange the meter. They will turn on the outside spigot to the house and turn the new meter on. What that does is minimizes a lot of air and debris getting into the house. Following an AMI water meter exchange, the customer has a few options to minimize the air inside the house. They can turn on the outside spigot as well. They can go to their bathtub and turn cold water on and just let it run for a few minutes. It's better to use cold water because there's a lot more lime buildup inside the hot water heater tank, and that'll just minimize more debris going through the system and clogging up customers' aerators. If they experience low pressure, they can go to the source, the kitchen sink for instance, and if the low pressure is there, they can unscrew the aerator and clean it out. A lot of times some debris that gets broken loose inside the house plumbing. If that doesn't resolve the pressure issues, they can contact us. We'd be happy to come out and help. They can call our number at 831-8800. After running the water and checking your aerators, if you still have issues, you can call 831-8800 and we will send a technician out to assist the best we can. If our technician gets out and can't help the customer, then we have contract plumbers in place where they can come out, and if it's related to the AMI exchange, then we can have them help the customer out.